My PGs and all have been asking, okay, sir, we want we want a complete comprehensive lectures on addiction issues, because here we do a lot of practical work, but there's so much of theory involved and so much of policies involved and so much of legal issues, etc. involved. So when we wanted to kind of organize this, obviously you think of All India Institute of Medical Science, which is the nodal body, which not only meets all these policies, but they have got a de-addiction center which is spread over 10 acres of land in Ghaziabad, that's outside Delhi. And when I inquired, yesterday of course was the first time I met these young people. I think I must have attended your session in Nimhan's annual. One of you all did speak over there. So when I came to know you all are the people who are working, and I've been associated with Ruzan Pharmaceutical for a long time. They are primary people who are into giving us just now Ajitaji said, we didn't have specific drugs to treat addiction problem. We did it by what Father Joe taught us, rehabilitate karo, yoga sikhao, peace, love, etc. and all those things. Ruzan companies, they've come out with buprenorphine and many such products. I've been associated with them. I use their products quite a lot. I put this idea to them, I want to do this program and I want the All India Institute. They've been associated with All India Institute. He immediately agreed. I said we want to do it. So what started in April when you became the queen, when you became the president of Bombay Psychiatric Society, I think that day I told you, over there, I want to do this and you have to make this program. You have to, conceptualize it. And from there we started working on it. We immediately roped in Bombay Psychiatric Society, Masina and them, JJ and so they are there. The Dependence-Free Organization is what they have. Thing. Humanity Health Organization is my NGO, which kind of funds any of these kinds of programs. And what was supposed to be for 30, 40, 50 PG students, and when PPS joined in and we kind of went on the EIPS and counseling, I was so happy. Before this was going to be a classroom kind of a table and chair thing. So when we got 150, we thought 125 because this place can sit 120. So then we last time we removed. It was going to be a classroom kind of a thing. So we removed the chairs, the tables. But we think it's uncomfortable, but then we'll have chairs. And I'm sure more and more people are going to join in. I already see about 8 people right now. So that's how we started this particular program. Now whenever we have programs, we want a chief guest. किसी ने बोला महेश भट्ट को बुलाओ, इनको बुलाओ, उनको बुलाओ. I said nothing doing. Who is the person who is in Mumbai city, started from Mumbai city and today all over the world, who has kind of taught us how to eventually rehabilitate. Earlier what we used to do, we used to detoxify them, they went out and then they came. It was a vicious cycle. They went out, they came in, they went out, they came in. But Father Joe Pereira, who taught us what rehabilitation was all about, and eventually we all realized that yes, the process is motivation, diagnosis, detoxification, treating underlying psychiatric and medical problems, and then sending them for a good rehab. Only then and then we can get these people out of it. So I had Father Joe Pereira to kind of in my mind that he should inaugurate this program. Normally we have nice traditional way of lighting the candle and all that, but somehow I could not. My surname is Machiswala, but I get very with matches and all that. And I don't smoke also, so I didn't want the candle this thing. And when Father Joe speaks and when he he speaks out, so it is prayers also and it is everything, and he just lights up the people. So we have Father Joe Pereira. I called him up. He also very tight schedule. Now it's like by the minute, like 10 o'clock here, 10:30 Kulaba, 11 somewhere else. Evening I asked him iftar dinner ke liye join hona. I said I'll be not Bombay at that time. So which not Bombay I don't know. Vasai wala not Bombay, ke Thana I don't know which part. So that's how Father Joe schedule is today. Father Joe actually does not require introduction, but still I wanted, I'd asked him some 10 good points, but I unfortunately didn't get it. He said he had emailed it to me. Then I, Jagdish, who has been with Father Joe Pereira, helped him out in setting up a few setups, and he's worked with Father Joe. I asked him and he really kind of made some good points. So Father Joe Pereira started the first Kripa Center in 1981 from Mount Carmel Church, Bandra, which is today the headquarters. And over a period of few years, Kripa grew from one center in Bandra to about 50 facilities all over the world. The Vasai Center was a direct result of Father Joe's effort with the European community. Today, aside of drug and alcohol, Father Joe Pereira and his organization is also working actively in HIV/AIDS issues, which are also managed. Over the years, Father's efforts in the Northeast area has helped start Kripa Foundation in Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, and because there's lots and lots of problems are coming up that side. Today, Kripa Foundation is the largest NGO in the country. He collaborates actively with the Government of India and is on their panel of experts. The Government of India conferred the Padma Shri to Father Joe Pereira in recognition of his work with addiction. He had close links with Mother Teresa and her missionaries of charity. He is a yogi in the true sense. He is an expert exponent of yoga. He follows the BK's Iyengar of yoga. I wish you had, gone in and gone in on. I would have loved, because, knowing Father Joe, every time you meet him, you know something newer about Father Joe.
I could have gone on, but you gave me just 2 minutes.
I told 10 minutes. I told 10 points, not 10 minutes, 10 points. So that's Father Joe Pereira. Father Joe Pereira is going to inaugurate the program. He is very active, and he also will be sharing some of his good thoughts to all of us. So Father Joe, may I request you to please come here. Can we all switch off? We'll keep our mobile phone on silent. Please do that.